Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if video calls are not working on Messenger on your Android. If you are getting a blank screen or if the sound is not working during Messenger video calls, this video will help. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel to show your support. First, long press the Messenger app icon on your phone. Then, tap this info icon that appears. In this menu, go to Permissions. Now, allow all the app permissions one by one. Make sure you enable the camera and microphone access for the Messenger app. Return to the previous page after this. Now, scroll down to tap on Storage. In this menu, tap the Clear Cache option. Then, hit Clear Data as well. Then, head to the Play Store and check if an update is available for the app. If a new version is available, just tap Update to install it. After doing this, go ahead and restart your phone and then issue will be resolved. However, if you continue to experience problems, your last option is to uninstall the app from your phone and install it again. This will fix any issues caused by corrupt app data. After that, you should not experience any issues. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tips like this.